morning everybody. On behalf of INDO-MIM, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you attending the Manufacturing World Expo held in Japan in Tokyo. We are truly excited to be a part of this exhibition where innovation, passion and new manufacturing technologies are exhibited on a global platform. At our booth today, you will find our latest advancement, a display of high precision components that come from metal injection molding, precision investment casting, precision machining, additive manufacturing and metal powders. We would like to invite you to visit our booth 2-36 at Makuhari Messe, Tokyo, Japan. Thank you everybody.